Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here with my sister Karina Garcia.
Hey guys.
I am so excited to have you here in my video. Today we are going to be swapping morning routines.
Hold on, you have like something on your eyelash. It's probably slime.
I can't. This is a special video because this is a paid partnership with Google Home. It is amazing because you get to create your own specific morning routine in the Google Home Hub.
So basically Google Home is giving us each other's morning routine.
I have a few tricks up my sleeve.
I have some up mine, honey. I already programmed my morning routine into the Google Home Hub. I think you're gonna have a nice, busy, slimy day. You're not ready?
All right, I'm ready. Let's do it. Oh, hey Google, snooze for 10 minutes.
Sure, see you in 10.
Oh, hey Google, good morning.
Good morning, Myra. It is 10:41 a.m. Currently in Riverside, it's 79 and sunny.
Perfect.
Today at 11 a.m., you have make slime. After that, today at 1 p.m., you have lunch with friends. Have a great day.
Well, I guess I'm Karina for today. I'm excited to make some slime.
Let's do this.
Oh my God, this is legit Karina Garcia attire. Like, I'm literally Karina Garcia right now. This is crazy. I am ready to make some slime. Hey Google, play Karina Garcia's Fluffy Slime YouTube video.
All right, here's Karina Garcia Fluffy Slime on YouTube.
Oh my God.
Alright guys, so
Wait, hey Google, stop. Guys, I'm actually like scared because I did this a while ago and I failed miserably. So I'm like, how is this gonna go? So I'm hoping, you know, second time it comes out good. So let's do it. Okay, hey Google, play the video.
What you need is some glue, and you need some shaving cream, and you also need some contact solution.
Ooh, she's already going in.
Was it the Giants, the 100 bouncers? Well, this is what I need.
Wait, I feel like if I put the whole gallon, it's gonna be a fail.
Blue, green, yellow, red.
I'm gonna do pink. I love pink.
Dots.
Wait, it's not open. Oh my God, I'm already messing up. Girl, slow down. Hey Google, pause the video. Thank you. Oh my God, I can't even open this. Hey Google, pass me some scissors.
This thing is huge, y'all.
Wait. Oh my God, I forgot the spatula. Wait.
When you're doing something like this, you have to make sure that you don't mind ruining what you're wearing because it's so much.
Oh my gosh, she's gonna kill me. I have to fold this back. Well, it's like all coming out crazy. Boom. Okay. Oh my God. Oh wow, this is actually not that bad. Oh my God, Karina.
What are you doing, Myra?
Hey girl, hey. First of all,
Are you
look
making slime?
amazing.
Oh, thanks, sis. Why are you wearing my jacket? You're gonna get slime all over it, dude. What are you doing?
Honestly, I have to admit, this is amazing.
This is disgusting.
Maybe a little more breast.
Wait, you just got Myra.
Oh my God,
Are you
Karina.
serious? That's why I don't want you to wear my jacket, dude.
Look.
Like, I mean, it's alright, but
I mean, look at your video.
it has weight. No, mine's like stretchy. That's the middle of the video. I wasn't done. Okay, well, I'm like over this slimer now. I can't. It's like so cringy.
This is Karina. It's way better. Whatever. Bye. Okay, guys, I'm proud. You guys cannot tell me this is not slime. Come on. Living. Oh my God. Y'all, it is time to eat. I'm starving. It's already noon. I guess Karina does not eat breakfast. Like, what? I'm actually gonna be eating pigs in a blanket with my friends. When I think of that, I literally picture pigs like rolling in blankets. It's so weird. It's such a weird name. Ah! Hey Google, play a pigs in a blanket recipe on YouTube.
Playing a pigs in a blanket recipe on YouTube.
Ooh, okay. So we're gonna need mini hot dogs. And we're also gonna need some crescent rolls. I'm just cutting them up in like little thin triangles like this. Ooh, talk about slime. This is legit. I've actually tried these, but I've never made them. I'm so excited. Ooh, cute enough. Now we're gonna pop them in the oven. They look so good. Look at this one. Oh my God. Oh, I think my friends are here.
Hey Google, show me the front door.
Sure, streaming the front door on Google Home.
I'm going. Hey y'all.
Hey, girl.
Y'all hungry?
We're starving.
So I made some pigs in a blanket. Oh, these are bomb, dude.
So good. They're delicious.
All right, well, let's cheers to a successful day. Cheers to her not ruining my bedazzled jacket with slime. And cheers to her for not looking like a clown. Cheers. We love piggies and blankets. That was so much fun. I think I did such a great job with that slime. I think you could have done a little bit better. I gave you the easiest slime in the world. I'm not the slime queen here. And you know what? I have to say your makeup was trash. I'm just kidding. You were delicious. Your pigs in a blanket were pretty bomb. They were. I want them right now. I want to give you a 9. Just because I know you're not the best cleaner, best cook. Excuse me? 9.5. I gotta say, your slime was pretty bomb. I give you like a 10 for effort. Thanks again to Google Home for this paid partnership. We had so much fun switching morning routines using this Google Home Hub. And also, don't forget to check out Karina's channel where she has a video where she did my morning routine. It was amazing. I think it was something. It was something. Go check it out, link down below. Yes, thank you guys so much for watching. We love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Bye.